Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Dana. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing how fast Xmondo color shades fade out and which ones fade the fastest. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, I will link that video up here and also in the description below. If you haven't noticed already, I chopped off all of my dead ends. I definitely miss my long hair, but it needed to be done.
If you want to see a quick compilation of how it fades, just fast forward to 5 minutes and 30 seconds to see that.
So as you can see, my hair is still vibrant as So I've had this color in for about a week now, and I only washed it the one time when I rinsed out the dye. So I haven't shampooed yet. I've trained my hair to where I don't need to wash it as often. Everybody's hair is different, but it's getting to the point now where it's getting greasy and it's time to wash it. Depending on the frequency you wash your hair, the temperature of water you wash your hair in, and the type of shampoo you're using will depend on how long your color lasts. I recommend washing your hair in cold water with sulfate-free shampoo once a week. If you get a little oily before your week is up, just use some dry shampoo to freshen your hair up. So today I'm going to be using Xmondo's Polychrome Color Extending Shampoo. It just seemed right to use Xmondo on Xmondo. I will link the website as to where you can buy this down in the description for you if you want to find that. But if you don't have access to it, you can always just go to Walmart and find a sulfate-free shampoo.
Here's what the back looks like before I wash it.
So I'm gonna go shampoo this for the first time, and I will be back in 2 seconds. So this is after one wash. Looks like most of the yellow is gone. And the green seems to be fading a little bit. The purple is turning into a magenta. So, as you can see, the yellow didn't do very well. I washed it in cold water like I suggested, and it still looks like the orange bled onto the yellow. So there's not really much yellow left. I think the red, the blue, and the orange are gonna be the ones that last the longest, but we will see.
So this is what the back looks like.
So this is 2 washes.
I love the way this color is fading. It reminds me of like Easter with like the pastel rainbow. This lighting is so much better to see the true color of how this is actually fading.
So this is after 3 washes.
It's starting to fade a little bit, so I think I might start the fading process soon. Last time I used the vitamin C treatment. I think this time I'm going to use the baking soda method to try and take the color out. I'm going to try and do the rainbow prism look again because it didn't turn out as I wanted it to, and I think I could do a better job, especially with all the advice that you guys have given me in the comments.
I went ahead and started the fading process by just changing the sulfate-free shampoo to anti-dandruff shampoo and Dawn dish soap, and instead of using cold water, now I'm using hot water. This is what the blue looks like. Green. More like teal now. The blue and the green mixed together. Same with the yellow and the orange. It made like a peach color now. Then I got red. Surprisingly, the red's fading faster than I thought it would be. And the purple. This is the purple that I thought was fading a lot faster. This purple is right under red, so it definitely changed it to like a magenta color.
Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below and let me know what you think.
So yeah, I'll probably do this a couple more times and then do the baking soda method on my hair. This is my 5th wash.
So here's how the colors faded over time.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it could have lasted a lot longer. Once it started to fade, I wanted to fade it quicker because I like my hair to be very vibrant. So one thing I noticed about this color is it'll probably perform better if you just have 1 or 2 colors in your hair, because if you have more than that, they will definitely bleed together when you rinse them out, regardless if it's in cold water or not. I did also notice that the orange and the red transferred a little bit onto my towel, but the rest did not. If you want to see how I fade my hair quicker, I will leave a couple links in the description below as to how I do that. But for this video, I think that's about as good as I'm going to fade it. And I will be doing a baking soda method on my hair and trying to get the rest of the color out that way. So definitely go check those out in the description below. It lasted me about 2 months, but I'm impulsive. Now I'm gonna look at my little notes here. And as for which colors lasted the longest, in my opinion, the blue is still the brightest out of all of them, with the purple coming in a close second. Let's see if I can show ya. So there's the blue and the purple. Can't really see the green.
I forgot to get a clip of the orange, so this is pretty much the closest shot that I could get.
Second to last would be the red. Surprisingly, I thought this was gonna be one of the ones that stayed in my hair the longest, and this is currently what it looks like. So finally, the yellow. I was honestly kind of disappointed with this one. By the way, it faded, but it's to be expected with being the lightest shade. Show you this blonde, almost white. It's definitely almost went back to the color I had underneath of it, which is white. All of these shades might differ for you. It all just depends on how you're washing it out. If you're sectioning it every time you wash it out, it probably won't bleed like the green and the blue did here, but I'm not gonna section my hair every time I take a shower. If you want to see how the rest of this fades with the baking soda method, I will leave a link up here for that video, and also at the end of this video. Follow me on social media. I will link my personal Instagram down below, as well as my nail Instagram page. So my final thoughts are, this is a really great color brand if you want something just temporary. If you wanted something to stick a little bit more, I might suggest something like Eero. I will leave a link for those in the description as well. I hope this video was informational for you. I've searched everywhere to see how the other colors fade, and I haven't seen anybody post anything yet, so I figured I'd do a video for you guys and show you how it fades, how fast it fades, and which ones fade the fastest. If you like this video, go down there and give it a thumbs up, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Keep your heads up and have a good day. Thanks guys, bye.